Today I'm making courgette and feta fritters. They're crispy, fluffy and fresh, so easy to make and you can eat them hot or cold. Let's do this! First things first, we need to shred the courgettes. Use a coarse grater for this. Here's a tip, sprinkle the grated courgette with a little salt. This helps draw out the extra moisture. We need to squeeze out as much of that moisture as possible. You can use a nut milk bag, a cheesecloth or even a clean kitchen towel. The drier the courgette, the crispier the fritters. Now for the fun part. In a large bowl, combine the squeezed courgette with crumbled feta cheese, chopped spring onions or scallions, and your favorite fresh herbs. I love dill, but parsley or marjoram work too. We'll add an egg to bind everything together. Then some plain flour to give the fritters some structure. Don't overmix though, we want a nice fluffy texture. Now let's talk about the courgettes or zucchinis, they're the same thing. I wanted to add a little variety, so I used a mix of standard green and some zephyr courgettes. Their creamy yellow skin adds a subtle sweetness that pairs beautifully with the feta. Use a tablespoon to spoon out the mixture to make your fritters. Alright, it's time to fry. Heat some oil in a pan over medium heat. I use rapeseed oil or you can use canola oil. Once it's hot, scoop out tablespoons of the mixture and flatten them gently into patties. Don't overcrowd the pan or they won't cook evenly. Fry the fritters for 2 to 3 minutes per side until they're golden brown and crispy. Look at those beauties! Once they're cooked through, transfer the fritters to a paper towel-lined plate to drain any excess oil. In just half an hour, courgette feta fritters ready to devour. See what I did there? Serve them hot or warm with a delicious dip like my yogurt garlic and tahini sauce. These courgette and feta fritters are a fantastic way to enjoy the bounty of summer. Let me know if you make them. Enjoy!